For the first time ever, I shopped on Tradesy. I have no idea what to expect when I'm going to open this box because there's a few things that concern me regarding my purchase. Welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella, ladies. Here we learn to look the best while being our best selves. Tradesy is an online store for pre-loved luxury items. It is similar to Vestiaire Collective and Fashionphile. This is my first purchase on Tradesy. I wanted to try them to see how the purchase went, so I purchased a Chanel wallet from them. The first thing that concerned me, the order arrived later than originally estimated. When I placed my order, the order was supposed to get to my house around September the 20th, but it was only delivered on October the 6th. Then the other thing that kind of concerns me, Tradesy is not like Fashionphile in the way they authenticate products. I'm having a hard time pronouncing authenticate. That's another story. So I really don't know what to expect, but let's just get started with the unboxing. Also, the other thing is, so the wallet actually came from E-Lady, which is located in Japan, and the wallet did not arrive in a Tradesy box. You know, when you order something from Fashionphile, whatever we purchase comes in a Fashionphile box. So it's just definitely they're not as professional as I would have expected. But the point of this purchase is just to see how the experience is. So needless to say, it started kind of, yes, I am concerned a little bit on whether the wallet is going to be authentic. It did kind of cross my mind too when I bought it, but I wanted to try the website. If their policy says if I believe something is not authentic, I can return it to them for them to inspect it. So I'm thinking, why don't you inspect it before? I don't know, just lots of questions. The inside of the box looks like this. It's just a piece of paper here. And then, oh, okay. And I believe the wallet I bought says that it's new, but don't take my word for 100% because it's been about a month since I ordered it. So let's see, I'm gonna open this. Hopefully it's good. So we do have a beautiful Chanel box. And let's see, okay, and then the inside of the box, the dust bag, and then, the wallet. There's the beautiful wallet. It's a very light beige color, and it's in perfect condition. And if this is a fake, it will be a very good fake. To me, it does not feel fake. The leather, it does not. It's in caviar finish, and I am definitely very familiar with caviar finishes. A lot of my Chanels are in caviar finish. Well, I think everything was great. The reason I bought this wallet, I wanted something to go with. Hold that. Whew, I'm back. I wanted the wallet to go with this handbag. So I think they're a nice complement to each other. This handbag is in the clear beige, which has been discontinued by Chanel. But I still think that this wallet they will look beautiful together one day. It is in the classic flap design with the CC logo in the front. Has a pocket here in the back, and then the inside has a zipper pocket for coins here, and then several card slots here and here. So the wallet came with the Chanel box and the dust bag, and then also with some Chanel little manuals, which I never keep, and the authentication card. I am grateful that it is a beautiful wallet in great condition. It looks like new to me. Looks like it has never been used, even though it's very light in color. There's no marks or stains on it, and there's no signs of the leather being stretched out. That being said, I doubt I will shop on tradesy again unless there's some Chanel, something I really want, and tradesy is the only place I can get it. Maybe then I would. I prefer a website like Fashionphile. If you are curious how shopping on Fashionphile is, my video on my experience shopping there is a great video on that topic. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. But I wanted to say something else about the video on Fashionphile, but I'm gonna let you figure it out. Thank you, ladies. See you in the next video.